In the past 3 years, both the direction and pace of urban development in Gujarat have changed. The state government has declared 2025 as a year of urban development, emphasizing organized growth of cities. During these 3 years, the urban development budget has seen a significant increase, giving new momentum to city planning, basic amenities, and the creation of modern cities.
શહેરી વિકાસનું બજેટ આપણું 24,000 કરોડનું આ વખતે 30,000 કરોડ રૂપિયા કર્યું છે. 40% જેટલો વધારો શહેરી વિકાસમાં કર્યો છે.
Demonstrating strong governance and decisive leadership, the Gujarat government has accelerated urban development with the inauguration of Ahmedabad Metro Phase 2 and the scientific management of 26.9 million metric tons of urban waste. In the last 3 years, the state government has delivered over 348 projects under the Smart Cities mission, reinforcing core urban infrastructure and raising the standard of civic services across Gujarat. A landmark administrative reform has been the upgradation of 9 municipalities into municipal corporations, taking the total to 17. This strategic decision by the Gujarat government has strengthened urban governance, improved planning and ensured faster, more accountable service delivery.
एक एक रोड, एक एक पायलट प्रोजेक्ट उसको किस तरह से आगे बढ़े, तो वाइट टॉपिंग रोड की जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका विस्तार हम ग्राम्य विस्तार तक भी करें, ऐसी हमारी एक सोच है और महानगर पालिका इस प्रयास में कटिबद्ध रहेगी.
लोगों के बेटर लिविंग की मैं बात करूं तो सैनिटेशन में बहुत बड़े बदलाव किए हैं. आपको भी दिखेगा कि आज नडियाद बहुत स्वच्छ शहर दिख रहा है.
Following their upgrade to a municipal corporation, these areas have seen urban services delivered more efficiently, earning appreciation from local residents.
માથાદીઠ પાણી કદાચ અમારી નડિયાદ મહાનગરપાલિકા અત્યારે ગુજરાતમાં સૌથી વધારે પાણી આપી રહેલી છે અને પાણીની સારી ચિંતા પ્રજાને અત્યારે મહાનગરપાલિકા કરી રહી છે.
નગર નડિયાદમાં સુંદર બાગ બગીચા, રોડ રસ્તા અને ટ્રાફિકના સમસ્યાના નિરાકરણ માટે ઓવરબ્રિજની સુવિધા પણ ઉપલબ્ધ કરાવવા જઈ રહ્યા છે.
Over the past 3 years, Gujarat's cities have been transformed. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, the urban framework has been strengthened, civic amenities have been systematically improved, and the foundation for smart cities in the coming years has been firmly established.